My day as a doctor starts early. I usually wake up around 5:30 in the morning. After freshening up, I take a few minutes to plan my day and drink a cup of tea or coffee. Staying organized is important in my line of work, so I review my schedule and make sure I'm mentally prepared. By 6:30, I'm getting ready for work. I wear comfortable but clean and professional clothes. And I always carry my ID badge, stethoscope, and a small notebook. I usually reach the hospital by 7:30 a.m. Depending on the day, I may have morning rounds, surgeries, or clinic appointments. The first thing I do when I arrive is check on my patients. I review their charts, examine their condition, and speak with the nurses or other doctors on call. I make sure everyone is stable and take notes for any changes in treatment. This part of my day is serious and focused, every detail matters. From 9 a.m. to 1 p.m., I usually see patients. If I'm working in the outpatient department, I consult with people who have booked appointments or walk-ins. I listen carefully, ask the right questions, examine symptoms, and recommend tests or treatments. Every patient is different, and clear communication is just as important as medical knowledge. Around 1 p.m., I take a short lunch break. Sometimes it's just a quick sandwich or fruit, depending on how busy things are. After that, it's back to work. In the afternoon, I may visit admitted patients again, follow up on lab results, or attend meetings with other doctors and staff. I usually finish work around 5 o'clock or 6 p.m. But sometimes emergencies come up, and I stay longer. Being a doctor means being flexible. I never know exactly how the day will go, a single case can change everything. Once I'm home, I try to relax. I take a shower, spend time with my family, and enjoy a quiet dinner. If there's time, I read a medical journal, or catch up on updates in my field. I also reply to messages from patients, or prepare notes for the next day. By 10 p.m., I wind down. I believe in taking care of myself, so I can take care of others. Sleep, rest, and balance are important even for a doctor. Tomorrow brings a new day, and I'll be ready,